All right, I'm gonna do a cold start for y'all. She ain't been crunching in a while. So I'm gonna see if I can get that sound so you can hear what she sound like. I'm gonna give it to you one time. That motherfucker got the whole ground shaking.